beans every time to ensure maximum freshness. Or in the second chamber here, you could use pre-ground beans. This area is used to heat up your glasses. The water canister easily slides out, so you can fill it to the designated line quick and efficiently, and then slide it right back in. When the machine is filled with the leftover grounds, the light right here will come on. Then you just open this section empty, replace, and then you're good to go. Press the power button here to turn it on, and from there you have many different options of what you can make. You have the option of espresso, coffee, cappuccino, latte, and even hot water. But right now, I'll be making a cappuccino for you. You can select between a single and a double, and the strength from weakest to most intense. So first, you'll take the integrated carafe, fill it with the milk of your choice. I like to use almond milk, but fat-free milk is also recommended. I really don't recommend anything beyond that. I've tried oat, 2%, and whole milk, and the results are not as good. Take your glass, you're gonna place it underneath, adjust the spout, and press the brew button in the lower right-hand corner. There's a built-in heating element for the milk preparation, and it creates the perfectly layered espresso beverages with dense, rich, long-lasting foam in every cup.